If you're watching this video, you might be having some issues with your buyback business, and limited trading volumes is highly possible to be the reason. You definitely want to find a solution that will help you to increase your revenue, grow your business, and get rid of all the mess that ruins your workflow, but you haven't found a way to do it yet. Sure, you try to improve the situation, and the testing software you're using helped you to streamline the process a bit. But I still don't know how to attract more customers to your store while maintaining a high testing quality. Sounds familiar? But that's not all. While increasing the buyback turnover, you'll face other challenges. Low revenue caused by inaccurate pricing, inconsistencies of testing and grading, human errors due to a lack of training and time, or no scalability opportunities. Are you ready to meet the solution that will transform your buyback business? Say hi to Riva Buoyancy's group. This unique testing robot is designed to process large volumes of devices. One technician with one robot line can test, grade, and wipe up to 70 devices per hour. Your revenue will grow significantly due to high pricing accuracy. Consistent robotic pricing is a huge factor in customer trust. Interested? Click the button below to arrange a demo. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.